Hi friends, welcome back in your math channel, Maths in Nutshell by Mahesh Sen. Today we are going to have this video, the exercise 3.2, the question number 7, the last question of the exercise. And in this question we have to draw the graph of the equation x minus y plus 1 equal to 0 and 3x plus 2y minus 12 equal to 0. These are the two equations and we have to draw the graph for this. So we have to first do the graph. The second thing is asking determine the coordinates of the vertices of the triangle formed by these lines. So when you will draw the diagram or the graph, then you will get the two lines are intersecting. So you will have one triangle. So vertices of the triangles you have to make with respect to the x-axis, right? And after this you have to shade this the triangular region also. You have to shade the area which is made by the lines and the axis. So look at the solution. What is there in the solution? We have first of all we have to make the graph. Okay, so you can say the graphical representation, but before that the equations we are writing x minus y plus 1 equal to 0. This is the first equation. We'll simplify a little bit here and then we'll go for the making the table, right? So guys, what we are doing, the second equation also we can write here 3x plus 2y minus 12 equal to 0. These two equations we are given and we have to draw the graph for the same, right? So let's start. Very first you just draw the graph for this, make the table, and after drawing the table you will put here x minus y plus 1 equal to 0. We can send this minus y in the right hand side, so we can write here x plus 1 equal to y. This is the simplification of the equation so that we can get the answers very fast. After that we have to make the table. So I'm just making the table, guys. X and y we will take here. We'll take the value of x and y, will get it gradually. Okay, so this my table is ready. Now I'll get the three solutions, and after the three solutions I'll get the graph, right? So very first I can put here the value of x and I'll get the value of y. Okay, as x plus 1 equal to y. So in the left hand side when you're putting the value of x, you will get the value of y gradually in the right hand side, right? So what kind of the value I can put here? Yeah, I can put the value of x as 0, 1, 2, anything I just want to put. I can put here. People, you can also do by your own. Okay, I'm just putting the value of x is 0, so I'm getting the y as 1. X is 2, y is 3, and x is 4, y is 5. These kind of the values I'm getting, and this is orally you can solve, guys. So I don't think you have any problem. For the next equation 3x plus 2y minus 12 equal to 0, I'll shift this 12 in the right hand side. So it will be here equal to 12, and after this 3x plus 2y equal to 12, I'll go for the same method. I'll make the table and I'll put the value of x and y gradually. You will get the answers, right? So I just wanted to put the value of x as 0 here so that I can get the value of y, and y is 0, then I will get the value of x here. So very first x is 0, y you will get x is 0, so 2y equals to 12, so y equal to 6, yes. After this, if y is 0, then y, the term of y will be 0, so 3x equals to 12, so 3 4 is 12, so 4 will be the value of x. Similarly, I just put to value of x equals to 2, y is 3 here. So by this way you can say I'm getting the value of this table also, and my table is ready. Now my next job is to draw these solutions on the graph paper, and I'll draw the graph as you can see on the screen. X dash, y dash. Very first value is 0 comma 1, or you can say 0 and 1, 2 3 4 and 5. This all the three values will put here on the graph one by one and will make one straight line, right? So 0 comma 1, this is the first value I'm keeping here. The second value will be over 2 by 3, so 2 comma 3, 2 and 2 and 3 on the x-axis 2 and y is 3. My intersecting point of x and y will be a 2. Okay, 2 comma 3. The second value and the third value, last one is 4 comma 5. Okay, the last one 4 on the x-axis, y in the 5 axis. So the intersecting point will be this 2 be 4 comma 5. This is my highlighted point. So 4 comma 5. All the 3 points I have mentioned or I have plotted on the graph. I'll join these points and I'll draw one straight line. So joining these 3 points, yeah, you can see the screen. 2 comma 3, 4 comma 5 and 0 comma 1. This is a straight line for the first equation. This is ready. Okay, now we will repeat the same thing with the second equation also, or the second table. And the second table is here. You can see 0 6 4 0. So x is 0, y is 6, x is 0, y is 6. Where will come here? X is 0 on the y axis only. So on the y axis and x is 6, this will be your point 0 comma 6, the first point. Second point is 4 comma 0. 4 will be on the x axis, y 0 on the y axis, y coordinate is 0, so on the x axis 4 comma 0. And the last one is 2 comma 3, which is already given 2 comma 3. So 2 comma 3, and when you are joining these 3 points, you will get again a straight line which intersect the another straight line at the point 2 comma 3. Right, so you just look at here, the first line is intersecting the second line at the point 2 comma 3. I can extend this line after the point 4 comma 0 in the below the x axis. So my two lines are clear here with the x and y axis. They are intersecting at point 2 comma 3. Now guys, you know very well that the intersecting point be your solution, but he has said find the coordinate of the triangle made by the lines and x axis. So you can see here we are getting here ABC is a triangle under these two lines and x axis by highlighted, and you have to shade it the area of this also. So triangles ko you have to shade it the triangle. So you can see the ABC with the green ink. This portion is shaded and this will be your shaded answer. Okay, so triangle ABC is the required triangle which is under these two lines and one axis, that is the x-axis. Guys, this is the question only asked in the exam. But one more thing I just want to tell you, the vertices of the triangles you have to, vertices of the triangle you have to write it down. So what will be the vertices of A is 2 comma 3, B will be at 0, this is minus 1 comma 0. B is minus 1 comma 0, and because this is intersecting on x negative, so minus this point is minus 1 comma 0. Which point is this? This is B. So B ke coordinate will be here minus 1 comma 0, right? And the last coordinate of the triangle C is 4 comma 0, which is clear. So these three these three vertices of the triangles is clear to you all guys. So vertices of the triangle, this portion is completed. Now we are moving for the one more question generally asked here. I just wanted to continue with this here. Find the area of the triangle after these two lines and the x-axis or y-axis. So we are finding the area of the triangle made by these lines and x-axis, that is 1 by 2 base into height. So what is base and what is height? Height is perpendicular basically. So base will be your BC, that BC is from origin to this 4 unit and 1 in the left hand side. The total will be your 5 unit, and minus 1 is there, so don't neglect, don't take the minus sign, just neglect it. So 1 and 4, so that will be 5, and the height will be your perpendicular. This is you will draw the height from the vertex to the x-axis, and I can see here this is 3 unit only. Okay, so 3 unit will be the height of this triangle, and so 5 into 3, and after this you will simplify this. 5 3s are 15, 1 by 2 into 15, that is 15 by 2 unit square. Everyone knows that how the or what is the area of the triangle that under comes under this square unit only, unit square. So area of the triangle is 15 by 2 square unit. This is your final answer. Thank you so much for watching this video.